What is up, guys? G6 here. We're in the Tahoe. It's nighttime. It looks like day, but it's not. Or so Mark claims. We're finding some quote-unquote trails that were supposed to be back here. But all I see is, actually I do see a trail. And 2 stone blocks. And a cone and a sign that says gas pipes. I'm assuming those 2 stones will compress as soon as we go through them. Plunk. Anyways, yeah. Marco the Narco here. I'm gonna go do a drug deal. Narco Traficante. He's gonna be the next. Hey, let's do something. Let's not go through it.
No, we just already did. It was right up there.
Oh. Yeah, it wasn't a mud hole. It was a dirt hole. What's that? Is that a shower? That's cool. It's a cold air intake shower. Bro, you can't see nothing. Well, I can see it just fine. But, ow. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to maintain this. Trying to maintain this straight. I don't know what he was trying to accomplish there. Watch it be like The Walking Dead and be like freaking zombies everywhere. There we gotta freaking cut it and gun it. There's 3 stone blocks over there. I don't know if y'all can see them at the distance. You can barely see my hands. But there's 3.
It's crazy how
freaking zombies just come out of nowhere.
It's weird. If I hold my high beams, they're on. But if I put them into the lock mode, it'll turn on.
Into what mode?
The high beam mode where they stay on.
Oh.
I gotta hold them and they stay on like that.
That's probably broken. Why are there just random stones here? I'm so confused. And my camera's not focusing. Focus. Focus. Whoa. Where are you going? I don't like spiders, okay?
Yeah, turn on.
It's hot. Oh my god, that's a big one. Bro, you just ran it over. I didn't even think of that guy. Dude, it was like that big. Oh my god, another one. We're gonna have to turn around right here.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, this is a weed farm.
Oh, this fucking sucks.
What is all that?
Don't know right now, but I'm trying to pay attention to my surroundings.
Let's go ahead and lock these doors. This is most definitely a weed farm.
What is up with you and weed farm, bro?
I don't know. I thought you were the Narco Traficante. Is there spider still there? Oh my god, that's a big. Oh my god, he's trying to attack us. Sorry guys, I'm being a goofball right now just because. Bro, that thing is like dead ass trying to get us. Where? That big firefly thingy right there. Ow. Dude, we just. We're not even on the trail anymore. We just went straight out the side. Like. Oh my god.
Made a home damn trail.
That's a big rock. Well, that's a big stone. Watch out, there's one more around there. Oh my, stop!
I know.
That's a big dip right there. Oh my god, we're like almost on the edge. Hey, I'm not trying to die today.
I know.
Okay. Yeah, just trying to make sure. Talk about being bamboozled.
See, I'm trying to figure out where the hell my friend got to.
There's a big spotlight over there. There's probably a camera point right for us. The po-po's. The po-po's probably on our way as we speak.
Honestly, that was not that bad.
Honestly, let's not roll down the windows. No! It's not funny. I don't
Big
like
man, scary wiki beady spider.
Bro, that thing was like that big. That thing was like that big, bro. It was like as big as my finger. That was not funny.
Kinda was.
No, it was not.
Kinda.
I don't mess with spiders.
Over. Is it a GT 350 or what?
It's I don't know. It's a Shelby. Yeah. Something's scraped in there. This one looks nice. So I like this one. I also like that tuxedo black.
It's honestly a nice car.
Yeah, it's a nice ass. Gotta get that Honda.
Scoot over.
He scoot over. Gotta get the Jeep fanboy here involved. The Jeep fanboy. Ooh, I got that one. Dude, my camera won't focus. Damn, I wonder who wrote this one out. This is low-key legit, guys.
Nobody really cares for
I told you nobody's gonna look at the Lambo.
Always broke on the street, never broke in the truck.
Yeah.
There's a dude, he was like, that's some sick shit. Supercar. Are you serious? Can't see nothing, but damn. Ooh, the BRZ. ST EcoBoost? Oh, it's a 5.0. Never mind. So I thought it was an EcoBoost. I didn't see the badge on the other side. This one's dropped though. Doesn't look. They got McDonald's cups in the back. McDonald's cups. This is low key like, oh, we didn't even get to see Lambo. So we didn't even get to see Lamborghini. Or
Still sitting there.
we'll go around it. What's this? Yeah, Genesis? Yeah, Genesis Coupe. Oh shit, go ahead. Oh, I thought that was Bradley.
Another Fox body.
Oh yeah.
Showing up more and more often.
I like that motorcycle. Supermoto. Is that a... Woo! Alright, I want a V8. Fox body, guys. Is that an R1? GMC Sierra. Subaru. On that. What was that? Oh, they're after somebody. For a T-bucket. Where is my? What is this? This is not a T-bucket. I take that back. Kind of looks like it. What is this? What car is that? That looks like. I thought it was a T-bucket, but it's not. Is it? Look. T-bucket Tahoe. Okay, I take that back. That does not look like a T-bucket. And then we got the Tahoe. The most semi-impressive one of all.
Just waiting for someone.
Wow. There's cops all around, man. Ain't nobody gonna do any of this. Oh, hey!